The Richter scale measures the magnitude of an earthquake based on the amplitude of seismic waves. It is a logarithmic scale, meaning each whole number increase represents a tenfold increase in wave amplitude. All right. An earthquake measures 6.7 on a Richter scale and another measures 3.7. How many times larger is the wave amplitude of the 6.7 over the 3.7? All right, well, it's tenfold times 10 for every one. So what we're going to do is write out 10 to the 6.7 minus 3.7, because if it's tenfold for every one, then we need to find out how much more this is. Well, 6.7 minus 3.7 is 3, and 10 to the third power is 1,000. So it's going to be 1,000 times more powerful.